Krisa ay.
I really miss you. I hope we can see again when we grow up.
Ang tanong, oh, Krisa.
Other kids there. And I wish you have a great grades. And happy birthday, Stacia. Bye.
Si Shan ay.
Hi, Taysha. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Ang layo yung mga tinag nga.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you. Hello, Manang Anastasia. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy 12th birthday.
Si Lexi day.
Wish ko
Kayo ako.
long life. More birthdays to come. Thank you. Happy 12th birthday, Lisa. Happy birthday, Taysha.
Bunbun.
Bam! Ay! Shh! Shh! Ay! Kapit dyan yung mga sus! Simala may buhok na siya, mo. Nagdamo na yagi.
Taros day. Katagol si Baxter. Si Baxter ka-great. Come here na, day. Why are you hiding? Hindi man mag-hide na. Hi, Munong. Agad.